Hello, Jonathan here, Prince of the Interwebs, and I am awake. Oh, it's 2 o'clock. I stayed in bed all the time. I also called in sick at work. Oh, despite the fact that I'm done. Like, why am I not hungry? I don't get that. Anyway, whatever. Who cares? I'll eat something after I take a shower. Let's go into silent mode so I don't have to speak anymore, you fuckers. Here's an update. The wind is fucking cold and I hate everything. Here's a test to see if my voice is better. It's not. Stefan's coming over tomorrow to do, we're gonna fix his hair. And I want to make a video with that, but I really hope my voice is better by then. Because otherwise it'll be awkward and hard to do. Oh look, there are no comments on that video. I wonder why. Maybe if you'd posted it when you were supposed to, rather than 3 million years. Why am I even still talking? There's no comments to comment on because I screwed up. I don't want to sound like Golem anymore, so I'm just gonna end this video now. I swear I'm not a chain smoker. You guys would notice by now if I was. Bye. Oh God. Just shut up, Jonathan.